lang bat kan sabong nyangu yo blay nong bunong tau bla don ringkat mumabsyo usap bro kublay sibon ya baro kibedon nak rekopor ngini syak sipor ngini nam tak rekopor kabamenta. We thank each one of you who are here, especially our Achik brothers and sisters from Khasiel zone. We want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Achik people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against the illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Hinyotra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, hear also this voice of the Hinyotra people, that the Khasi Jantia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the Achik people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Hinyotra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed, and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Achik people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down of that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Achik people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Achik people are protected, and you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Achik people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that this Bengal who are staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. हाँ भाई, तू बांग्लादेशी है, तो बांग्लादेश में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Achik people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Achik land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofio Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Achik land. Sofia Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Achik people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Hinyotra people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Achik and the Hinyotra are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight. You attack the poor people. You attack those weak people in Chibinang, the Agaro brothers and sisters, because they are minority in numbers. If you want to show power, come to Tura, let us fight. Come out of the plain belt. Fix a day, fix the time. The Nyotrab and the Achik will be there. Let's see who wins. These Bangladeshis, they came as labor, they came as tenant. They used the people of Garo Hills, the Achik people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills. The illegal stone mining that is going on is because of these people. And we blame our leaders, we blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Miyas have dared to attack the owner of the land. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders, it is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Dilsang M. Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their blood honor in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, you have been using the Achik people for the last 50 years because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang M. Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money, and now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? No. Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our Nyotra brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotra people. Ngakwaban pinkan mawi kani. Balada menta ni ya ka khando ka siap, ya ka hok long try, ya ka hok halor ka sinsyar ka khadar, jong ki Garo po Garo Hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy ki brio kin kini ya ka hok long try, halor ka khando ka siap, halor ka sanhima sima jongi unyo trap lada ngimlong ki bausiar. Pari kani ka jingalang mata ka sikam day tang bangin aya kataka kajing Krisyan, yaki perlok ki jong ye po Garo Hills, kadeiru, kajing pinkan mau, kajing pinkan ded, yangi kung kitry retry muluk, bangin long ki bausiar. Atong ikwa, bakay ka baca Garo Hills, kaju kapot kanja yangi, ang ne porilum kasi bajentia. Ngihap ban perkat ban raya kata. Ngimkwa ban yoi, bauweiru. Udo usna mo jongi unsya bena la ka jongi yengi sam unsya kni ya ka jaka ka puta unsya peniap unsya kni ya la ka jong ka cingem kay ka bamat kini ka parlok ki jongi po Garo Hills kala banja hangnya rilum kasi ba jentia ka jongi ru ladang yemlong ki bahusya pari kade kata ka jingmut jongani ka jingalang kade kumbang iba Thomas bateng-teng ko majai priung ya ban pelong ya kum kini ki jingalang ban kendit, ban kersiu tia, ban pinken mau, ban ngimdai, ban song tia thai, ngimdai, ban skuhun, tang balayo ya karoi kapar, kalau biang ngiklat no pan, ya kau long try, kalau kakendo ka siap ka jongi. Bari, kata ka di ka jingmut, jongan di ka jingalang, banangit, banang ni syakman, paipa, ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongi, paipa ya ka rut ka kiar ka jongi. Halaki jong ki snong ki tau, halaki jong ki it ki hima, halaki jong ki yin ki sam. Paipa ya kasor shilong ka badon, kasor kabangi ni ngolong try, lada wan nang no nang nuru nak keleng jong ka briu nyotrem. Hatong ilong try, hala kajong kari kajongi hadongi dang kwa ban penne yakni jinglong try kajongi hadongi kwa ba hadin san post nem hadin chis pas nem ladangi pelong kum kini kijingalang baro kini kidukan ki nong we nong ar kilong try ki dei ban khang kum ni kum dei ban khang mentap si garai kari kajonga kajong fi garai kari jong kari ko pateng ko pamenta lada kani ko pateng ko pamenta kam sim ya karai ko patenge ban yada ya ka jong ka khando ka siap kan mau baki khun ki khti ki jong ni kinom don khando kinom don siap ban yada lan ban yale ban penne pensa kata kari ka jing sisa ka ban ya ban perkat hatungi ai mo ya kata khno ka siap ala jong ki khun ki khti lada ka pateng ko ban sawan kenang mau makiru kinla ban yeng ban yada ban penne pensa lada kali kapateng ke pementa nyemyeng ban yada nyemyeng ban penne pensa kapateng ke banong ke banangwan kanom don kendo kanom don siap bahkan penne pensa pari hoi ngisngop sarong bang iyo yaw tau chief minister ubalanang lastat ngiyo yaw chief minister ubala puli na kiri ki bapau jang kapercay ngiyo yaw chief minister ubakren siapang kata karoy kapar ubakren yakinyo hajar fra hajar sipo hajar krur ki development manusnam ki bapoy sa kaninga jela ka jongi ubakren siapang kata ka economy ka banpoy sa kapaka sata ka $10 billion economy pari ka jingkeli kalong atungin hun laningin ya pen ya kata karoy kapar bat ka hok long try ka jongi halor kani ka khendo ka siap atongin ya pen ya ka jinglong try ka jongi halor ka khendo ka siap halor kani ka snap ka bakerbang ka bau nong tau ula ayo nyo trap nyo skum langin ya pen tang namar kata ka 10 hajar ka khasan hajar ka 40 hajar kror ka development lani ki roy ki par ki bakini ki nong ilam ki jongi ki wandra Mr. Conrad sangma abo ulet chadi maasaw when he went to the maasaw he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule he is or he still is for the last 8 years as the chief minister of our state. His party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon akasyuki mentala prasnam ulek chadi masaw banong ba lapen belat lapen telot yaki kendon jong ka 6th schedule. Ule ayu pat hapo GHDC mentasan posnam kalayai kata kajing penbelan mentah prasnam ula dona kasuki atau ula persyang mo ban penbet ya kajing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale pimla ban syukendo ya kibalalet nawar kim don syu akabor pi don akabor mentah pile ayu kan ban penbah ya kata kajing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale kata kena jingkeli kabang ikwa ban bu yau Conrad sangma ya ka sorkar ka jongi ya ki noilam ki jongi lada lek chakwi ka jela chakwi jaka ban yo nong politics biong bala blat la telot ki kendon jo ka 6th schedule wan pat hayeng la jong haji HDC ka sinong try ka jongu la khala long hanta uklet pan baji HDC mentala sanpul teligis nam kiyat pos niu hajing bakla namar kila ailat yake mendir bakin yo banlong kinong taput badru ban yo banlong kita ki MDC bale yoi hakini ki pratli ki senam ki belalet onda menta haba kini ki parlo garu ki yeng ban yada ban penek pensa ban yakun ban pentikna baka GHDC kadai nam tau garu kimi kini keke nyemla ban len baka ni kajing bakla kajing ailat hakini ki sanpo teligi senam ki nyopo teligi senam bayaki wei pa lailat Banyak sementara ni election jong ka GCDC. Mereka por kadang biang banuan ra ya ka jingkela. Dialor kata ka nomor bagi porlok na po garel skiyen hakum ka ni ka por banong bakaladei ka por ban pendet ya ka ni ka jingbakla ka mangilaya lenti menta dekin nyopo tuligisnam. Kadai yang iru kum kajat mrew nyotrep bangin ai ka jingkersyan yiki porlok na po garel sebakin pendet ya ka ni ka jingbakla. Nama ladang himla ban pendet kan mau. Ladang himla ban pendet mado ban tep Kombong mene di Bat Thomas wat hang ni hang iru kalak banja kalak ban long bat kini ki beriu kalak ban pyndonkam da ki bor ki bakam ajrong ban penbor yang i ban ailat ye kiru bakin ye sembenta hakini ki institution lane kita ki bor ki ba ai kerpang yang i kum ki jai penriu riu lom pari ngakot ngawer yapi nakani ka jaka hakani ka janmiet ka pamenta bangin ya yang ban teli kawe kum ka jai penriu nyautrap ban yang ban ya teli kawe kum ki trai muluk ban penti kena bangi ni dai ki trai jong kani ka jela Meghalaya jong kini ki lum kasih jan tiabat garu ban penti kena bau nong we nongar don hop ban syong hakit dorbar trairi ki jongi don hop ban syong ban rum ban long nong kawan hakit the council ki jongi tongin ya syem ya karai hakni ka janmi ka pamenta balada dan kam ban yami ngin yami ringim betik na bakini ki dorbar trairi ki jongi kini banne hakati ki jongi. My brothers and sisters, the Achik brothers and sisters who are here today, we make this promise before you that COMSO, all the organizations that are there, as well as each and every person of the Nyotrip land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garoils during this time, and we ensure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the Nyotrap people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters, and thank you very much for being here, the leaders of Nangringaman Achik Dol or the Unified Garo organization, the students and leaders of the Garo Students Union Kasil Zone, as well as to all the Achik brothers and sisters who are here in Shillong. Thank you very much for your time and for coming into this meeting. And this meeting, as I was saying, we have only one purpose, and that purpose is to show these Bangladeshis, these Mias or the Bangals, that the indigenous people of Meghalaya stands together during time that they need each other, and we will always stand together to fight the outsiders. That is the aim and the purpose of this meeting. So with these few words, thank you very much for all of